I'm Eleni, and I'm here to help you cultivate courageous kids. The bystander effect casts a shadow over the landscape of bullying in schools and the digital realm. In the corridors, on playgrounds and buses, as well as within the expansive online sphere, bystanders often find themselves caught in a complex web of hesitancy and fear when witnessing acts of bullying. In physical settings, the presence of multiple bystanders can lead individuals to feel a diffusion of responsibility, assuming that others will intervene or call for help. Similarly, in the cyberspace, the anonymity and distance exacerbate this effect, making it easier to stand by silently. This collective reluctance to act can perpetuate the cycle of bullying, amplifying its damaging impact on victims and their families. Breaking this pattern requires a collective shift, empowering bystanders to speak up, offer support, and actively intervene to create a safer, more empathetic environment for all, in person and online. I'm curious, have you ever experienced the bystander effect? Let's start the conversation below.